Hey guys, on this video I am going to show you how to remove community on X. Now what I mean by community, the community you've joined, they are always on the top area and looks a bit hazard. If you want to remove them, here is how to remove it. So open X, and on this top area, these are the community I am not following. These are the community I have joined. Now if I swipe left, you are going to see all of the community that I joined, right? Now if I want to remove them, all I need to do is to go to that particular community, and you are going to notice a drop down opens up in that community section. So you click on the drop down and it shows you another option below. So now go ahead and remove community. Now you note that community has already been discontinued on X. So you are going to do this for every community you belong to. Notice this is Arsenal Football Club. Remove, and it is going to be removed. This is actually how you do it on your X app. For desktop users, I'm going to show you guys how to do that on a different video. I hope this video is helpful. Smash like, share the video with your friends. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.